Morning, students. In this session, we will discuss about two types of lists used in HTML. List tags are used in HTML to display the contents in a particular format. Mainly, there are two types of lists, that is ordered list and unordered list. Main categories are ordered list and unordered list. So what is an ordered list? In ordered list, we can print or display things in particular order. There is numbering in the elements. For example, there is here 1, 2, 3. Next here A, B, C. Then this Roman numeral 1, 2, 3. These are three different ways for listing elements. So we can list the elements with some particular numbers, that is numeric alphabets or Roman numeral. In this point of view, we use ordered list. In ordered list, there is some methods or some type of numbering is possible. So we can display the elements in any of the suitable formats. Here is an example, and in ordered list, the tag start with OL, and as you know, list tag start with LI. So in ordered list, the elements can be displayed using LI tag, that is between OL and /OL. Anything list, any list can embed in OL and /OL. Here each LI tag represents each element. The OL is the starting point and /OL is the end. Here is another example for an ordered list. Here OL type equal to capital A. Then LI apple, banana, lemon, orange. This OL is closed here. Next is some heading with H4, and second OL tag is OL type equal to small letter A. Here also some list tags, and the OL tag is closed here. What will be the output? The first case, the numbering is like this capital A, B, C, D. That is, this letter is here. So anything we type in the type term, that is type equal to capital A, small a, 1, anything. That is the sequencing. So A, B, C, D is continuing. And in second case, type equal to small letter A. So here A, B, C, D. These are the examples of an ordered list. Another example, type equal to 1. Here also type equal to 1. Now Roman numeral 1, 2, 3, 4, and here lowercase Roman numeral. So that is second portion, type equal to small letter numeral 1. The element displayed is like this: 1, 2, 3, 4 Roman numeral list and small case Roman numeral list. Next is the definition list. Definition list is used for define something, that is here used for definition definition tag, it start with DL/DL, and anything we like to display is then the DT tag, and the explanation or the definition is in the DD tag. Here is an example. Start with the DL is the definition lag. DT each term or something we want to define. And description start with the DD. Here DL/DL, DT coffee, DD bag, black hot drink. Next definition. Next term DT is milk, and here the definition for milk DD, white cold drink. Definition list is used to define something, some terms. Next tag is the table tag. We can design table using HTML tag. Table tag is used to define a table. In a table there are rows and informations, rows or cells and information. So we use other tags to display or describe the rows and the contents. First is we can define a table or we can create a table using table tag. Table tag defines an HTML table, and HTML table consists of table element. Here is the syntax, is table, and closing is /table. And HTML has two kinds of cells. Header cell contains header information, and standard cell contain data. So as in the regular table, we can use th and td. These two tags are used for table description or table values. So we can create header information. For example, in a table we want to display some information like name, age, mark, etc. So name, age and mark are some headings. So we can use th tag to describe these headings, and td tag is used for describing all names and all age and mark. So data is displayed using td and the header information is described using th tag, and these two tags are inside the table tag. So th tag defines a header cell and closing is /th. Text in th elements are bold and centered by default. By default, the heading information is displayed using the th tag, that is bold and centered. Next is the td tag. It defines standard cell in a table, that the td elements have some used it for displaying some content or some information. td elements are regular and left aligned by default. Closing tag is /td. And as you know, there is only one heading and several information. So one td contains, so one th tag contains several td. Next is tr tag. It defines a row in an HTML table. Each row can be separated using one tr tag. And tr element contains one or more th or td. Closing is /th. So with this, I'm winding up today's video. Thank you.